Today I will share you two useful shortcuts for viewing your video previews in full screen in Premiere Pro. To begin, make sure you have the video preview panel selected. Then simply press the tilt key on your keyboard. You can find the tilt key just above the tab key. By pressing the tilt key, the video preview panel will expand and occupy the entire screen, allowing for better view. If you want the actual video to take up the entire screen, press the tilt key once again to return to the default layout. Now, if you wish to view your video preview in true full screen mode, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Tilt. This will maximize the video preview, giving you the complete full screen experience. To play the video in this mode, simply press the space bar. To go back to your default layout, press Ctrl Tilt again. The shortcut can significantly enhance your video editing workflow in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you found the shortcut helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. See you next time.